Hey everybody, welcome back to Uncle Bill's Kitchen. I'm your host, Uncle Bill, and this is my kitchen. Oh yeah, today is going to be another great day. We're going to be making an amazing American side. It's a classic. It's got potatoes, onions, it's got mayonnaise, and I got it two different ways. Traditional and kicked up a notch. Oh yeah, potato salad, that's what we're talking about. Red potato salad. Stay tuned, I'm going to show you how to make it right. Hello, and welcome to Uncle Bill's Kitchen. All right, now at this point, you have everything you need to complete a standard, beautiful, amazing red skin potato salad, okay? Now, this next part is if you want to kick it up an extra notch. It's going to add a lot more flavor, a little extra seasoning, and you're going to be amazed at how good and how different it's going to make your potato salad from everybody else's. If you want to know how that's done, keep watching. Thank you for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you did, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to receive updates on future episodes as they come out. Also consider becoming a Patreon, or if you'd like, purchase me a cup of coffee. Links in the description below. All right, at this point, you can just stop if you wanted to. You don't have to go. Boom, boom.